What if I'm going to tell you guys that you can create a website with a free domain name and free hosting? Yes, it can be done. And in this tutorial, I'm going to share it with you step by step. For those people who doesn't know how these websites are going online, number one, you need to have a domain name. These domain names are this youtube.com, google.com, facebook.com that you are typing on those browsers so that you can access this website. Hosting is the place where you're going to upload your website or save your content so that it will be accessible through the internet. And these are not free, but there are platforms or websites that can offer it for free, and I'm going to share it to you step by step in this tutorial. This video, guys, is intended for students, beginners who are trying to learn the basics of web development, because there are tools here that professionals are using that you can practice from. Second, small-scale business setup that wants to have online presence but doesn't have a budget for web development. So this will be very useful for you. Now, if you're a pro, just skip this video because it is not for you. Let's get started right now. Now, open up your browser and let's go for FREENOM, where we can get the free domain name. I made a tutorial like this before, about nearly 2 years right now, and some people are having trouble making an account with FREENOM. Now the solution for this is go for incognito mode. Let's go for FREENOM, a name for everyone. And here we go. Find a free domain name. But first, let's sign in. So I always use social sign in, and people like what I mentioned earlier that they're having problem with this. So let's try to see. Okay, I'll go for sign in and put in my Gmail credentials. Okay, next. And of course, my password. Okay, next. There you go. Click on services and my domains. So I have several, or around 3 of these domain name listed here, but we're not going to use that one. We are going to register a new domain name. We're going to find torogiprotech.ml because I was the one who got the .tk. So that's free, you can see there. Get it now. I have it in my cart. Check out. And change this one to 12 months. So this is free for 12 months. If you want to go over 12 months, you're going to pay. Or if you want this one to be free, wait for the next year that it's going to expire and then register it again and it will be yours. Continue, complete order, and ta-da! Check that domain name. My domains, torogitech.ml is there. Now, the next thing that we're going to go to is infinityfree.net, where we're going to create an account again and get a free hosting. So we're going to leave FREENOM first for a bit and create an account here, free hosting. When we are done creating these accounts, we need to connect FREENOM account into Infinity so that the domain name we have from FREENOM will be connected to the hosting site that we have here. Sign up and check for your confirmation email. So that's what I'm going to do. Click this confirmation and we'll be able to log into infinityfree.net. Okay, it's time to log in. Okay, we're in. We have 0 accounts created yet. This is how the Infinity Free dashboard looks like. Let's go and take a tour with the domains. They are selling domains as well, domain names. But we're not going to buy one. So I'll close this one and go back to FREENOM. Manage the DNS. Here on the management tools, we go for name servers. This is using the DNS of FREENOM, but we're going to change that one with the DNS of Infinity Free. Let's go back to Infinity Free. I'll also put this link on the description below, how to add your own domain to your account. These are the DNS servers of Infinity Free. And take note, if you are going to use these domain servers, if you're going to update the domain servers of FREENOM, they are saying it will take up to 72 hours. So I'll remove these ones, one domain name server per field. Let's put a one. Okay. Oops. And save. Change. Okay. Let's try to check it again to make sure it's changed. Okay. So we're using the name servers of Infinity Free. Let's go back to Infinity Free and continue our configuration. Let's create a new account. And here, these are the steps. We need to put in a domain name, but we're not going to use their domain names. We're going to use our own domain name. Go for use a custom domain. We're going to put in torogitech.ml. And there you go. It's added. We're going to change the account label. The next field is automatic. Let's put in our password. And then let's go. Create account. So this is basically saying that the name servers were not pointed to this hosting, though we already changed it. But remember, they said it will take 72 hours. But by experience, this will take around 10 to 15 minutes. I'll be back after 15 minutes and try it again. So I'll post this video. Okay, I'm back. Let's try this one again. Hopefully it will work right now. So I'll put my password, create an account. Ta-da! There you go. It's green and it means good. So it's created. That's my username. And let's go to control panel to start doing the website. Okay, it will direct us to that panel, but there's a message here from hi EPs 25008772. Approve. Yeah, let's go. Let's just do approve. Okay. Thanks. The panel will load now. Now load. Ha. Okay. So this looks like what these professionals are using when they're creating website. You will have a panel like this, and it will be a very good tool for students, beginners. You can practice because this is free. You can play around with this one. You can create multiple accounts if you want to. You can configure these things if you want to. Our main goal here is go for Sofocalos. Yeah, there you go. We'll be using WordPress, but for those guys who are looking for a way to use a hosting and a free domain name and upload your website, you know that one already, because this is for the sake of the beginners. We're going to install WordPress and install now. That's how simple it is. We're going to put in, we don't need to change any configuration here. The same. Okay, this one, let's just put in Torogitech. Simple tech tutorial. Change your password. This is the default. It means pass, admin in pass. So I'll change mine. All right. Should do it. You basically select a template here. So I'll just go for the first one because it seems like I like the Apple install. This will not take long. Just wait for it. Okay, now we're done. So this is the link of our website, torogetak.ml. And the second link that we have here is where we're going to edit the website. So let's visit our website first. Yeah. Oh, that's very cool, man. I didn't even do a lot of coding here. So yeah, because it's WordPress. So basically edit the things that we're going to edit there. Let's go, and you can also type in wp-admin. You add it there. It is the same with the link here. So if you click that one, it will direct you to torogepro.ml/wp-admin. And let's start customizing our website so that you can see, for those who doesn't know how to use WordPress. But if you have been using WordPress before and you just don't know how to put it online, we're done here. But for the sake of those who want to make their website with WordPress and doesn't know how to use it, let's just do a quick tutorial here. Let's just go ahead and change that main image that we have there. I'll put my own picture. So that would be the main page. Saying a bit, yeah, okay. Oh, that's cool. Let's try to check our website. Refresh. Oh, that's me. That's my website. Let's go ahead and new page. Let's create a page. Okay, put the title. Let's say contact me. And let's just go ahead and type something here. Toroge Pro email. Okay, publish. Let's go and visit our website. There you go. We have contact me. There. So those are the pages that we're creating. How about if we do something like the color, because I cannot see that one. So let's go ahead here, colors. Let's put that one to red. I mean, yeah, red. Okay. There you go. It changed to red. Let's just go ahead and publish this one as well. Publish. Then refresh. Yeah, there you go. It's changing. So how easy is that? Let's try to post something here. So I'll go for post. And I'll go add title. This is the new website. Okay, say publish. And then, yeah. Visit website. There you go. This is the new website. So how easy is this to do? I think it's easy. So the other features, the other way you can go around and edit this one, feel free to play along. It's a free website and it's a free hosting. So you can go ahead and play. You create your website and that's it. Now, if you like this video, guys, and you have learned something, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it to your friends. I hope to see you on my next video.